Big Rich Music.
Yeah. Yeah. Anti-aircraft weapons, start your engines, cut you down to the tendons, ask for repentance. In a blacker continental, starting to feel sentimental. I'm mental and a little over the top, beat you like a dirty cop. While you're yelling, please stop. No way, Jose. I'll beat you with a shovel while I guzzle down some vodka. Having ya yelling for mama and papa. Haha. Yes, I'm completely demented. I haven't repented in months. I'm making big bucks and selling pills in the lobby I got from Bill Cosby. It's just a hobby. I'm sorry, lighting your car on fire and throwing your cat in the dryer. But you left me no choice. Listen to my voice and rejoice. For I bring the lyrics that dig in your skin. I'm super thin, I kick you in the shin. Wear a grin on my chin. I win, I got that feeling of nostalgia. Chilling in the plaza, in the savannah, with a chick named Sandra and a panda with asthma. That's completely ridiculous, Nicholas. That's my name, don't wear it out. You gotta scream and shout. Wait, you got a buck? Duck, the bullets are flying. What are you implying? I'm just supplying you with what's poppin'. Shooting threes like Dennis Rodman. Selling your liver at an auction. So sue me, I'm wandering through the forest like Gooby. And Scooby is rolling up a big fat doobie, higher than a 747 airplane leaking methane, straight to the membrane. I use the brightest hemisphere of my brain, that's where my visions appear. I'm not insane, I'm highly evolved. Every problem must be solved.